Introduction. This text is from Silent Spring, written by Silent Spring by Rachel Carson. It explains how pesticide and pollution can badly harm nature, animals, plants, and humans. The writer uses a story-like style to warn people about environmental destruction. The text shows that humans themselves are responsible for damaging the environment. It also explains how scientific writing can be mixed with poetic and emotional language to make readers think deeply about nature and pollution. Summary of the story. The story begins by describing a beautiful imaginary town in America where nature and human life exist peacefully together. The town is surrounded by rich farms, green fields, orchards, forests, and rivers. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere and the countryside looks colorful and fresh. In autumn, trees such as oak, maple, and birch turn bright colors and make the land look beautiful. Wild animals like foxes and deer move freely through the hills and fields. The roadsides are full of wildflowers, ferns, and green plants throughout the year. During winter, birds gather near the roadsides to eat berries and seeds. Many different kinds of birds visit the town during migration seasons, and people travel from far places to watch them. The streams are clear and cold, filled with fish such as trout. Overall, the town is healthy, peaceful, and full of life. Suddenly, however, a strange blight or disease spreads through the area. Everything slowly begins to change. Farm animals like chickens, cattle, and sheep become sick and die. People in the town also begin suffering from strange illnesses. Doctors cannot understand the diseases affecting their patients. Even children suddenly become sick and die within hours. The environment becomes silent and lifeless. Birds disappear from the town, and the feeding places become empty. The few birds that remain shake violently and cannot fly. The spring season, which was once full of birdsong, becomes completely silent. No robins, doves, wrens, or other birds can be heard anymore. The damage continues to spread. Hens sit on eggs but no chicks hatch. Farmers cannot raise pigs because the young animals die quickly. Apple trees bloom, but bees are gone, so there is no pollination and no fruit grows. Plants and vegetation dry up and wither as if burned by fire. Rivers and streams also become lifeless because all the fish die. The writer then describes a strange white powder that had fallen over fields, streams, roofs, and lawns. This suggests that harmful chemicals or pesticide caused the destruction. Rachel Carson explains that this disaster is not caused by magic or enemies. Humans themselves caused it through pollution and careless use of chemicals. At the end, the writer explains that the town is imaginary, but similar disasters have happened in many real places. She warns readers that environmental destruction is becoming a serious reality around the world. The purpose of the book is to explain what is silencing nature and to encourage people to protect the environment before it is too late. The story teaches an important moral lesson: human actions can destroy nature, so people must act responsibly and protect the environment. Answers to all questions. Question. What does the phrase, "a checkerboard of prosperous farms," say about the accepted wisdom of agricultural production at the time Rachel Carson wrote this text? Answer. It shows that farming was considered successful, modern, organized, and productive during that time. A2. Question. What happened to the farmlands and environment once the blight crept over the area? Support your answer with examples from the text. Answer. Animals became sick and died, birds disappeared, plants dried up, fish died, and people became ill. Bees vanished, so there was no pollination or fruit. A3. Question. What is hinted at as the possible source of the problem? Answer. The problem is hinted to be caused by harmful chemicals and pesticides spread by humans. B1. Question. What does the word "once," short for "once upon a time," suggest in the first line? Answer. It suggests the story is like a fairy tale or fable and describes a happy past that no longer exists. B2A. Question. Analyze the paragraph structure and comment on what is characteristic of the descriptions in the first two paragraphs. Answer. The first two paragraphs use beautiful and detailed descriptions of nature, animals, seasons, and peaceful life. B2B. Question. Analyze the paragraph structure and comment on the tone and focus from paragraph 3. Answer. The tone becomes dark, serious, and frightening. The focus changes to sickness, death, and destruction. B2C. Question. Analyze the paragraph structure and comment on the nature of a fable. Answer. The story teaches a moral lesson about protecting nature and avoiding environmental destruction. B3. Question. When do we get to the moral of the story? Answer. We get the moral near the end when the writer explains that humans caused the destruction themselves. Question. Why do you think Rachel Carson chose to introduce her work of scientific investigation as a fable or modern-day fairy tale? Answer. She wanted readers to understand the danger emotionally and easily. The fable style makes the scientific message more interesting and memorable. Talk about. Question. What effect do you think Rachel Carson's Silent Spring had on public opinion once it was published in 1962? Answer. It made many people worried about pollution and pesticide. It increased environmental awareness and helped start environmental movements. Question. Do you think the issues described in her book are still relevant today? Answer. Yes, because pollution, climate change, and environmental destruction are still major problems today. Grammar, vocabulary exercises. Glossary words. Prosperous. Meaning, rich and successful. Blight. Meaning, a disease that harms plants. Maladies. Meaning, diseases or illnesses. Pollination. Meaning, transfer of pollen to help plants reproduce. Wither. Meaning, to dry up and die. Angler. Meaning, a person who fishes with a rod and line. Scores. Meaning, many or lots. Stricken. Meaning, deeply affected by illness or disaster. Spectre. Meaning, a frightening ghost-like danger. Learning tip. What is a fable? A fable is a short story that teaches a moral lesson, often using animals or imaginary situations. Famous examples of fables. The Tortoise and the Hare. Peter and the Wolf. The Country Mouse and the City Mouse. Important MCQs with answers. Who wrote Silent Spring? Rachel Carson, Greta Thunberg, Michelle Obama, Sarah Qureshi. Answer, Rachel Carson. When was Silent Spring first published? 1950, 1962, 1980-2000. Answer, 1962. What is the main topic of the book? Technology, pollution and environment, sports, education. Answer, pollution and environment. What harmful chemical is mentioned in the text introduction? Oxygen, DDT, water, salt. Answer, DDT. What type of writing is used in the extract? Comedy, fable style, news report, drama. Answer, fable style. How was the town at the beginning? Dirty, lifeless, peaceful and beautiful, crowded. Answer, peaceful and beautiful. What animals barked in the hills? Dogs, wolves, foxes, lions. Answer, foxes. What crossed the fields silently? Cats, deer, horses, sheep. Answer, deer. Why did people visit the town? Shopping, birdwatching, business, games. Answer, birdwatching. What happened after the blight spread? Nature improved, animals became sick, more birds arrived, crops doubled. Answer, animals became sick. What happened to the birds? They multiplied, they disappeared, they changed color, they became larger. Answer, they disappeared. What happened to the fish? They grew bigger, they died, they escaped, they became poisonous. Answer, they died. Why was there no fruit on apple trees? No rain, no bees for pollination, too much sunlight, cold weather. Answer, no bees for pollination. What covered the roofs and fields? Snow, white powder, leaves, dust. Answer, white powder. What does the white powder suggest? Magic pollution chemicals, food, fertilizer only. Answer, pollution chemicals. What happened to the streams? They became cleaner, they became lifeless, they dried completely, they flooded. Answer, they became lifeless. What does wither mean? Bloom, dry up, grow, shine. Answer, dry up. What does angler mean? Farmer, fisherman, doctor, teacher. Answer, fisherman. What is a spectre? Animal, ghost-like danger, plant, disease. Answer, ghost-like danger. What caused the disaster according to Carson? Magic enemy attacked humans, animals. Answer, humans. Is the town real? Yes, no, partly unknown. Answer, number. What is the writer warning people about? War, environmental destruction, travel, technology. Answer, environmental destruction. What literary style does Carson use? Fairy tale style, scientific report only, comedy, poetry only. Answer, fairy tale style. What happens to hens in the story? They fly away, new chicks hatch, they become stronger, they disappear. Answer, new chicks hatch. What happens to pigs? They grow healthier, young pigs die quickly, they disappear completely, they become wild. Answer, young pigs die quickly. What does prosperous mean? Poor, rich and successful, dangerous, empty. Answer, rich and successful. What is pollination? Fishing, plant fertilization, hunting, drying plants. Answer, plant fertilization. What is the tone of later paragraphs? Funny, dark and serious, romantic, happy. Answer, dark and serious. What lesson does the story teach? Ignore nature, protect environment, use more chemicals, build factories. Answer, protect environment. What is the purpose of Silent Spring? Entertainment, explain environmental dangers, teach farming only, tell fairy tales. Answer, explain environmental dangers.